Let's understand the importance of the JavaScript falsy values. All these six are considered as a JavaScript falsy values: null, undefined, global property, not a number, empty string, a single quotes, double quotes, or a tilde operator, and a zero with negative zero or zero n. This is a big int zero, and a normal falsy values. So apart from all these six values, every other value is considered as a truthy value. The importance of understanding the falsy values is, so when you are evaluating any of the condition or an expression, it's we need to understand that it end result, if that end result is one of this value, then that would be evaluated as a falsy value. You will not go inside this loop or that block, you will not go inside that block and the loop will be breaking. So if you get any of the values above these things, so up, if most of the developers used to think that the empty array and empty object are the falsy values, no, empty array and empty object are the truthy values. So this is the importance of the falsy values. For more videos like this, subscribe to the Rethinking UI channel. Thank you.